Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I believe many people like to buy rings, but what should you do if the ring doesn't fit your finger one day? So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a simple necklace with your own ring. The materials are simple enough. Your ring, any ring will do. My design concept, I think, is just too plain to tie a ring to the rope. So I usually find some beads to match. If it is a gold ring, I will add the gold bead. If it is a jadeite ring, I will add the jadeite bead. For the necklace today, I choose a semi-finished braided necklace rope. This is an adjustable style and with one cord here for you to attach the pendant. You may use other necklace rope too. Now let's do it. Take out the cord from the necklace rope. Open end needle. Now thread the jadeite bead and attach this whole thing to the necklace rope like this. Spread 2 cords and then put the ring here. Now 2 cords cross through the middle of the ring like this. And then pull both cords at the same time. Now you need to make sure this bead is right on top of the ring. And pull them tight again. Now tie the snake knot right here. The upper cord and the lower cord. The lower cord goes up in a circle and the upper cord goes around the whole thing and passes through this circle. Now pull both strings. Make it very tight like this. And I'm gonna tie one more snake knot here. And you can tie 2 or 3 knots according to your own design. So 2 knots are done. Now we cut the strings and burn. And remember, before you cut the strings, leave it a little bit like this because we need to burn. Like this. Now use the lighter. And press. Same thing here. And press. And it's done. Super easy, isn't it? I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.